Hi, this is your dietitian Anuradha here. Today we are talking about overnight oats. Many of them had this queries, what is overnight oats? A simple thing, you have to just take the oats, add little milk, little curd to it, and then you add whatever you want for that. You can add little fruits, whatever the fruits you like, add chia seeds, you can add little honey, you can add little jaggery. Do not take whites, the white sugar, what I mean to say. You can add peaches, you can add olives, you can add any dried fruits, and you can add nuts. So this is what is overnight. Just so everything you stir it and keep it in a tight jar into your fridge or outside depending on your temperature. So morning you just have to scoop it. So people add flavors like strawberry, they add blueberries, so many flavors you can take it. Some dark chocolate if you would like to, some flaxseed, chia seeds. So any nuts, seeds, fruits, anything you add to that, that is what is overnight oats. It is very healthy, and because oats is very high in fiber and also good amount of protein is being given by our oats. So you can always include into your menu as morning breakfast. This is very much ideal for the people who are looking for weight loss and also for the people who don't have time. So night you can make it, eat that jar in a tight jar properly. You soak it as a layers or you mix it and keep it however you would like to. For just appearance, people keep it layers and morning they mix and have it. You can always mix it and keep it such that morning you just gulp and you can eat and go. So this is very good and you all can have that. So this is what is about overnight oats. Hope you understood.